Hi, welcome to 1 Minute Print Marketing Solutions. I'm your host, Patrick Skinner, and today we're talking about economic or high volume business cards. What to look for when you're trying to get the biggest bang for your buck. Let's get started. Before deciding to buy high volume business cards, you should really ask yourself two questions. One, does my business require a high volume of transactions to be profitable? And two, will my brand suffer by being on a stock or a product that is a bit more economic looking rather than something that is more specialized? If the answer to your first question is yes, and the answer to your second question is no, then high volume business cards are exactly what you're looking for. Now, let's talk about the three most common card stocks that you're going to find while shopping for high volume business cards. The three are 100-pound gloss, 14-point, and 16-point cardstocks. Now, what are the differences in those measurements? What do those even mean? 100-pound gloss is basically a weight measurement in where they take 50 sheets of the cardstock and they weigh it to be 100 pounds. That's how that measurement is made. And then the other one is based off of thickness, where each point represents 1/1000th of an inch. So this one being the thinner of the two, 14 versus 16. Now, that being said, does that mean that if I get a thinner card, I'm going to have a cheaper card or something more affordable? Not necessarily. All three of these cards are actually right about the same cost as far as when you're buying for high volume business cards. Now, what is the difference between, let's say, a 16-point thickness and a 100-pound cardstock? Well, I'll tell you right now, 100-pound cardstock is actually about 11-point thickness, which actually makes this significantly thinner. And when it's cut out as a business card, it's very, very cheap, will fold in anybody's business cards, and it really doesn't hold color very well when it's actually in somebody's pocket. So I definitely don't recommend this. My number one recommendation when shopping for a high volume business card is a 16-point cardstock, especially if you have something with UV coating on it. That's it. You guys have a wonderful day.